Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Threadnanny no mess oven liner. So you put this liner in your oven, install it, helps you out with the mess. It's non-stick, heat resistant, reusable so you can wash them, PFOA free, BPA free as well. They are heavy duty for the bottom of your oven, suitable for electric and gas. You can see here. So there are two distinctions with these oven liners. This is a 2-pack. When using them, if you have a hidden element, you put the mat on the lowest rack. If you have an exposed element, you put it underneath the element. So if you have to put it on the lowest rack, you can bake on this as well. It can also be cut, and then you can wash them with soap and water or throw them in the dishwasher. So here we go. You can see here, we've got an oven. Now, this is a used oven for you, so you can see in real, practical time what we've got going on here. Normally, throw some tin foil underneath. This is an exposed element. So what we're going to do now is you don't need this tin foil anymore because you can use the Threadnanny oven liners. Check it out, 2-pack, durable. Look at basically the size of the oven. So let's pull this tin foil out of here. Then you can take this, now you could put it in there just like that, kind of curl up along the edges, or if you want, you can flip it over. I'm going to flip it over. Now it goes right here on the bottom. Super simple install. Look at that. Beautiful oven liner for the bottom of your oven. Catches any drips, spills, anything like that. Now, if you had a hidden element, which means the element itself is inside the bottom of the oven, then you put this on the lowest rack. So you'd move this rack down here, set this on the rack. The reason is because if you covered this up, then now you're not letting enough heat come up out of your oven because you're blocking it. So that's the theory there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, looks great. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll do what I can to help you out. But there we are, food safe, excellent oven liner, washable, everything like that, reusable. So pick up a 2-pack, the link will be in the description below.